Here are tips on how to use LED grow lights. One 2-foot grow light covers a 2-foot square area. If you have more space, you may need more light. Full spectrum lights promote seeding, leaf, and stem growth. For flowering plants, supplement with red enhanced light to encourage budding, flowering, and fruiting. Remember to use premium soil and nutrients and water plants regularly. Hang grow lights 6 inches above flowering plants initially, and then raise to 18 to 24 inches when they start budding. For herbs and leafy greens, hang the fixture 12 inches above plants from seeding to 2 weeks of vegetative growth, and then raise to 24 inches to 30 inches. Leave the lights on for 18 hours and off for 6 hours. If pre-flowers appear, adjust the cycle to 12 hours on and 12 hours off to induce flowering and budding. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to grow like a pro.